VSK Business Consultant Construction FAQ. Q. What types of construction projects does VSK Business Consultant specialize in? A. We manage projects across residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure sectors. We offer expertise in planning, management, and execution for diverse construction needs. Q. Can VSK Business Consultant help with project feasibility studies? A. Yes. We provide comprehensive feasibility studies, analyzing market demand, financial projections, and regulatory compliance to ensure project viability. Q. What project management services do you offer? A. We handle all stages of project management: scheduling, budgeting, resource allocation, risk management, and quality control, ensuring on time, on budget completion. Q. How does VSK Business Consultant ensure regulatory compliance? A. Our team is expert in local, state, and national regulations. We guarantee compliance with building codes, environmental standards, and safety requirements. Q. Can you assist with contractor selection and negotiation? A. We select qualified contractors based on your project needs and negotiate contracts for favorable terms. Q. What is your approach to cost control and budgeting? A. We use detailed budgeting, cost tracking, and variance analysis to minimize overruns and maximize efficiency. Q. How do you handle project scheduling and timelines? A. We utilize advanced software for detailed scheduling and monitor progress to prevent delays. Q. Does VSK Business Consultant provide risk management services? A. We conduct thorough risk assessments and develop mitigation strategies to protect your project. Q. Can you assist with obtaining necessary permits and approvals? A. We manage all permit and approval processes, ensuring compliance and avoiding delays. Q. What kind of communication and reporting can I expect? A. We provide regular, transparent updates through reports, meetings, and ongoing communication. Q. How does VSK Business Consultant ensure quality control? A. We implement strict quality control measures, including inspections and testing, to guarantee high standards. Q. What experience does VSK Business Consultant have with sustainable construction practices? A. We integrate sustainable practices, using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs. Q. Can VSK Business Consultant help with dispute resolution? A. We offer dispute resolution services to find amicable solutions and protect your interests. Q. What are the benefits of hiring VSK Business Consultant for my construction project? A. We provide expert guidance, reduce risks, ensure compliance, optimize costs, and deliver projects on time and budget, allowing you to focus on your business. For VSK Business Consultant, customer satisfaction is paramount. We build trust through our dedication to your project's success. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultant. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram.